What is RHC or Rockstar Holding Corporation?
Yeah, when you say holding corporation, that means you'll be having different shares with different companies. So Rockstar Holding Corporations aims to have partnership with different businesses all over the Philippines.
At the present or as of the moment, what are the businesses of Rockstar Holding Corporation?
We already have existing partnership with Enspire, it's an IT solution company, and Dr. Spin is a self-service laundry shop, and we also have just Rockstar Digital Solutions. So aside from this partnership, we also have Rockstar Beauty, Rockstar Skills University, and Rockstar TV and Media Production. We use the word Rockstar because we believe that lahat tayo merong Rockstar power. And that's the vision of Rockstar Holding Corporation. That is to bring out the Rockstar power within you. And that Rockstar power, pwede mong gamitin for you to have your business, to have your livelihood, or to establish a career that can help your family and the church.
Can you tell us more about it, Doc?
Yeah, our investors will be having passive income by investing in Rockstar Holding Corporation. We are giving 10% guaranteed for our investors annually. To join, basically, of course, we will be having a one-on-one discussion to explain what are the different businesses and how we can earn so that they have their peace of mind that their money will be earning.